guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone's having a great day. Today I'm going to show you how I made this huge Deco mesh bow using the 6-inch Dollar Tree mesh. For this bow, you're going to need 6 rolls of the Dollar Tree mesh, and each roll is 6 inches wide and has 5 yards on it. You're going to need a zip tie and some scissors too. And so here's what the label looks like. Some of my mesh is from Christmas, some from the 4th of July, some just in the regular craft section. So 6 rolls, and you're just going to open them all and stack one on top of the other. Next, you're going to let out some tails. So a long, probably about 18 to 24 inches of mesh so that it can hang below your bow. And the mesh does try to tangle together a little bit, but don't get frustrated, and you're going to slide your hand down it and make your first loop. Let out some more mesh. Now you could also let this mesh, the rolls, drop to the floor. That's a little bit easier, but for this video I tried leaving it on the table, but usually I let it drop to the floor. Slide your hand down your mesh and make another loop about the same size as your first loop. Keep it held tightly in your hand. Same steps. Let out more mesh. Just unroll each roll a little bit more to make another loop. Then we're going to slide our hand down it, make another loop. Make sure it's about the same size as your other loops. Keep it held tightly in your hand. Same steps. Let out some more mesh. Slide your hand down it. Make sure you have enough let out so that you can make your loop. I didn't quite have enough, so I had to let out some more mesh and make another loop. Just take your time because it does turn out beautiful. Slide your hand down, make another loop. So I have 2 loops on the left, 2 loops on the right, and that's as big as I want this bow. So now I'm going to let out some more tails, about 18 to 24 inches. Now remember, they do curl up, the mesh will, so it will look shorter when you get your bow finished. If you are having trouble holding the bow in your hand, go ahead and put the zip tie around it now. If not, you can go ahead like I'm doing and cut your tails. So just cut straight across. Remember to leave a little extra because it will curl up. Now I'm taking a zip tie, wrapping it nice and tight around the center of my bow, and then I am going to separate my loops and fluff and shape my bow. This bow is very full and fluffy, so you'll want to slide the colors out from under each other and spread them out. Try to make it where it's not twisted. Try to keep the mesh flat and just fluff and shape your bow. Just be patient. This takes a little while to do because there's lots of loops to separate, and you'll want to separate each one. Now to hang this bow up, I just took another zip tie, threaded it through the zip tie that I attached to the center of the bow, and attached it to my little shepherd's staff and hung it out front. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.